Stop by and take a look at the 2009 SRX. The Cadillac SRX is beautiful from every angle. For driving enthusiasts, there's track-tuned handling, advanced engine power, and the added confidence of available all-wheel drive. Luxury lovers will delight in the new stylish handcrafted cabin. And for technology lovers, the list of high-tech features is just too long to list. This vehicle has less than 150,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, remote engine start, power lift gate, traction control, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.